Welcome to Just Maths tutorial. Today we'll be looking at factorization. Yes, factorization. Let's start with something simple. Let's look at this example. 3x plus 12. Okay, how do we factorize this? You look for the highest common factor. 3x and 12. The highest common factor is 3 because you can only find 3 in both terms there. 3x and 12. The only common factor is 3. So we'll bring out the 3 and factorize. Your answer will be x plus 4. So we have 3 into bracket x plus 4. Now let's look at another example. 4x to the power of 4 plus 6x to the power of 3 plus 2 to the x, 2x to the power of 2. Okay, now look for the common factors of these, including the numbers. The common factor includes the number and the letter. Okay, if you look at this, you notice the highest common factor, first of all, for the number is 2. You can find 2 in 4, 6, and 2. Then for the letter, the highest common factor there will be x squared. Yes, because you can bring out x squared from x to the power of 4, x to the power of 3, x to the power of 2. Now let's see what will be left of the other terms. From 4x squared, if you bring out 2x squared, you are left with 2x squared. From 6x cubed, if you bring out 2x squared, you are left with 3x alone. Then from 2x squared, you bring out 2x squared, you are left with 1. So your answer will be 2x squared into bracket 2x squared plus 3x plus 1. Now let's factorize trinomials. Now a simple example is x squared plus 5x plus 6. The first thing we have to do is to multiply the first term and the last term. That is x squared times 6, and that will give us 6x squared. Next is for you to find the factors of 6x squared in such a way that when you add up those factors, it will give you the second term, which is 5x. Then when you multiply the factors, it will give you 6x squared. Now these two factors can only be 2x and 3x. Meaning when you add 2x to 3x, you will get 5x. And when you multiply 2x by 3x, you will come up with 6x squared. The next thing is to use this 2x plus 3x to replace the 5x in the equation. Now the next thing to do is to pair the first two terms and the last two terms. Then you factorize. Now let's find the highest common factor of x squared plus 2x. Now the highest common factor is x, so in the brackets we will have x plus 2. Then for 3x plus 6, the highest common factor is 3. What we have left in this bracket will be x plus 2. Notice the expressions in the two brackets are the same, x plus 2, x plus 2. So we are going to pick one. Okay, pick one of those expressions. Okay, then the one outside the expressions, that is the x plus 3, will be put together in one bracket. So your final answer is x plus 2, x plus 3. This is the answer to factorizing trinomials. Now let's take a look at this next question. Complete the square on the quadratic function into the form the square of x plus b plus c, where y equals to x squared plus 8x plus 2. Now we are supposed to look for the factors of 2x squared that will give us 8x. That's the sum will give us 8x. Okay, but that will not be possible. Okay, so what we would do is this. We need to have the coefficient of the second term. Okay, half of 8 is 4. Now the square of this 4 will be used on each part of the function x plus b squared plus c. Okay, now while one will be added to the variable x, the other will be subtracted from the constant. Okay, so we now have x plus 4 square minus 4 square plus 2. Knowing that the square of 4 is 16, so add 2 to minus 16, that will give you minus 14. So to complete the square on the quadratic function of x squared plus 8x plus 2 will give us x plus 4 square minus 14. Now let me quickly explain the concept of monomials, binomials, trinomials, and polynomials. Okay. Now a single term is monomial. Example 5x. While an expression with two terms is known as binomials. Then an expression with three terms is called trinomials, while multiple expressions are called polynomials. So until I come your way next time, keep being the best. Bye.